Greetings. I am Dr. Juan Gilbert, and I'm here to give you a demonstration of the inline ticketing system. What is inline? Well, inline is an application I developed to accommodate social distancing in voting lines. Voters are given a ticket to hold their place in line. The ticket contains a return time, an expiration time, and a QR code. So you don't have to stand in line next to anyone. You could leave and return at a specific time. All you need is a computer, a printer, and a QR code scanner, and then the inline software app, and you're ready to go. Let's take a look. So this is the inline ticketing system. Right now it's ready to have tickets scanned in, but there aren't any tickets in the system. So a poll worker in this scenario would see the line starting to form and grow, and they would set the waiting time. So in this case, that means there's 5 minutes on average for the next person in line to be able to proceed to vote. I'm going to set the ticket expiration time to 10 minutes, saying after they're supposed to come back at a time, they have 10 minutes until their ticket expires. Now the poll worker will look and say, oh, there are, say, for example, 7 people in line, and so I'm going to print 7 tickets. And this is what a ticket looks like. Inline ticket with a QR code, and you have the time you're supposed to return and the time it will expire. And in this case, it printed 7 of these. Here are all 7. Now the poll worker can look at the queue and see there are 7 tickets there, and it has their expiration time and tells you if the ticket has been used or not. So the first person to vote will be at 1:58, and so what we'll do is take a break and come back and scan and see what happens when we scan that ticket. Okay, it is 1:59, and let's say the first voter has returned with the appropriate ticket. As you can see, this is where we left off. We go to the ticket scanner, and now the voter's ticket is scanned, and it says it's a valid ticket. So that voter now can go and present their credentials. Their voter verification is verified and approved, and they can vote. And now you can see where it says that ticket has been used. And let's say the next person at 2:03 shows up early. And so now that person shows up and they scan, and it says it's early and asks them to return. So let's assume that the person somehow who came at 1:58, their ticket is scanned again. And it reports the ticket has been used. And you could go look, it shows you the rest of the queue. And then at 2:08, this ticket will expire. And when that happens, it will be removed from the queue, and it will be remaining 6 tickets. All right, we're back, and you can see here the ticket again, 1:58 p.m. expires 2:08. It's 2:07, so that ticket is still there. Shortly, it should expire, and when that expiration occurs, that particular ticket will disappear. Now, at the meantime, let's assume that the next person in line showed up, and we're going to scan their ticket. And now they are able to go present their credentials to verify their voter record, and they can vote. We go back, show tickets, and shows that that ticket has been used now. Here's another one, the third one in line, but let's assume now 2 additional people show up, and we're going to print their tickets. So 2 new tickets will be printed, we'll go back and we'll look and see if the next person in line shows up. Now that individual can proceed, and you'll see here that we have two that have passed, and the one that was at 158 is no longer there. That ticket expired and it has disappeared. So that's the system in a nutshell with a demo. In summary, inLine is an application I designed to accommodate social distancing for voting lines. It's secure, it doesn't sit on a network, and it's easy to use, as you can see. inLine can be used in multiple contexts. It can be used for voting, as well as, for example, COVID-19 testing centers and other contexts. It's free. If you're interested in using inLine, please contact me. Here's my information. I'm happy to share this software. There's no charge to use it. The goal is to make voting more accessible, where individuals don't have to choose between their health and their right to exercise their vote. So again, I'm Dr. Juan Gilbert from the University of Florida. Thank you.